So how is everybody? Today I'm right here in this beautiful garden here, and I'm wearing my belt. I don't know if you can see that, but it helps me because I hurt my back a while back. I got a direct vent wall heater that I'm gonna replace, and you can see the vent right there. There's the gas line already existing, so I'm gonna go and show you what it looks like inside. You probably won't recognize this house, but I actually installed this quite cool whole house fan a while back. You can see one of my videos, whole house fan installation. Grate's a little bit dirty, needs to be vacuumed. As far as I know, it's been working great. So we'll put it on high right now for 2 hours from right now, while we're working here, so that any dust can be removed. Crack open the window. Yeah, that's probably the only window we need to open for now. You can already feel the breeze coming through here. Really quiet. I like those quiet, cool fans. But anyways, back to business. Here is our direct vent wall heater, which we are going to disconnect and replace. You know, that makes it a little easier to see. So, update on this wall heater. Everything was going great, but then what I saw was that the vent that goes to the outside, too short. This wall, and I don't know, you can see right here, it's been doubled up. See how it goes like that? So this wall is doubled up, and the sleeve for the vent doesn't go all the way through to the outside. It only joins, like one sleeve has to interconnect with the other one, and one slides into the other one. But it only slides in about maybe like half an inch or an inch. So I have to order the kit. So I'm back at this job again. It's been a few days for me, but it's only been a few seconds for you. But up there you can see that I already installed the new extension kit. This is the old one. This is the one that it comes with for a standard size wall. But I ordered this VK33, 9 to 15 inches is what it's good for. So that's it. Now that I installed it, now I just gotta put this this vent back on there, and we should be good to go. The inside ones, this is for the vent, this is for the intake, for the air intake. But these are still too long up there, so I'm gonna have to cut the other two flush with the wall.
Now I cut it more flush. This one looks like it fit inside that other one, so this one shouldn't be a problem. I'm gonna try it again. Okay, perfect. There we go. Now I gotta put this gasket all around the edges, and we'll be done. Then we can start testing it. So there it is. I don't know if you can see it from this far, but it looks like a masterpiece. Alright, we got the pilot lit. We turn the valve on. Give it a few minutes.